Hi guys, this is a good video how to put concrete for exterior footers for this building A. We put concrete for 3 interior foundation, D3, D4, D5, and we set the anchor bolt. The bottom of the plate for this anchor bolt will be minus 10 inches from finished elevation, and here we are pouring the rest of the footers for this building. After we poured concrete for footers here, that first section, it took 105 cubic yard, 100 cubic 05, and here we are pouring the rest, pour concrete for the rest of the footers. Okay, and we have 2 tracks. You can see this one and this one, that track number 2 and 3. Here we are pouring concrete, and we are using vibrator. See over there, electrical crew, they are working to do roughen slab. The concrete crew, they did the choke line for the form up for slab, so that is the edge of a slab. They did choke line, and then they set the form. So the electrical crew, they show up today, and because they need to surface mount, to do mounting and hold it to the form. So here I have 6 inches metal stud framing and sheetrock from inside, Dinzy glass from outside. So they measure that and everything is good to go. Here we have a sleeve for plumbing work, and here I have cold joint, and here we have anchor bolt 1 inch, and there's a gap for the shear force plate. Is welded. At the bottom will be 1 inch times 5 inches. Here you can see we have concrete cover, minimum 3 inches here, 3 inches here, so we have maybe 4 inches. Everything is clean. There is no any loose material. We have chairs and slab dowels. We'll go from there.